What's going on, guys? What's going on? This is my disappear a card into the table tutorial. Or into the table. I'm going to demonstrate it. I'm going to make the card disappear into the table. Doesn't work at first. We'll try again. That's how you do that. To do that trick, you'll just use your thumb and your hand to get into position. Act natural. Put your thumb here. You'll tell them that you're gonna make the card disappear into the table, and then you're gonna grab it like that with your hand under. Then you're going to put it on the table and you're going to rub, and you're going to get it wrong at first. You're going to lift your hand. You're going to say, oh, it didn't work. Then you're going to get into position again. Then you're going to get into position again. Make sure when you put the card into position, the position is actually this. This is straight. You're going to tilt it so it's like that. Simple. Get into position again. Then you're going to say, I'm going to give it a second try. And this time it'll work, or something like that. Then you're going to put your hand over the card. But under the card it looks like this. You're just gonna bring the card in like that. When your hand is over, you're gonna bring the card in really quickly. You're gonna practice on it. And looks like this. And people will think you have a card under your hand. And then you have no card on your hand though. Because you brought it in already. When you put your hand over the card, you just bring it in like that. People will think you have a card in your hand, under your hand. You're going to rub the table, and then you're going to lift, and there's going to be no card there. That's how you do that. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sure. Sorry for the smoking, guys. But it saves smoking, no. Sorta. Maybe just forget that actually. But sorry for the smoking, guys. I never said that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.